Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find here apps, click on it. Then you will find here apps list and here you're looking for Pinterest app or just click on search. Add here Pinterest, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage, you click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store, click on Play Store here, and you search here for Pinterest app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find it. If this click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.